It was not so long ago that we showed you the leaked images and renders of the Samsung S25 Ultra, and now as we are approaching nearer to Samsung's January 22 launch event, we are getting more and more leaks of the new upcoming Samsung devices. The recent leak is the images shared by a Twitter user. We can clearly see it's the new Samsung S25 Plus model. We are pretty much sure that this is not the S25 Ultra because that phone has a prominent design, and it also has only triple rear cameras, while the Ultra version has a different camera module altogether. These images look legitimate, with various protections on the devices common with pre-release samples. That includes tape over the cameras to stop the owner of the device from taking images and sharing them with all the device information attached. There's also blurring across the bottom of the device, which is hiding the ID number that's on the bottom of the screen on these types of devices. That would identify this individual device and could lead Samsung back to the owner. Although the language currently on the phone is in Korean, we are pretty much sure that the phones might be the US version, and there are two solid reasons for that. First, we can clearly see on the screen that it has a model number SMS936U, which, if you don't know, is the model number for the US version of phones. On the side panel below the power button, you may assume it's the camera control button like the new iPhone 16s, but actually it's the millimeter wave antenna, which is also present in the US version of phones only. So it should have an antenna for faster 5G. Other than this, one more detail that we can see in the picture is that it has slimmer bezels than the outgoing model. I think that's all the visual changes in the upcoming phone, and the remaining phone is almost the same. It's just like Samsung copy-pasted the same older design. The thing I don't like about Samsung and Apple is that they are launching almost the same phones every year. Seeing their fan following, it's certain that even if they will launch shit, there will be fanboys outside the store to buy it. Other than that, the S25 will also get faster 25V wireless charging and the bigger 4900 mAh battery for better battery life, plus the new efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. So, what do you think? Will you buy the new Samsung S25 Plus, or will you stick with your older generation of phone? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative tech leaks and reviews like these. Bye for today.